Immerse yourself in the future of driving experience. With our AI-driven interface customization, your car's display becomes a canvas for your style. Be it modern chic or classic elegance, the choice is yours. Tune into your mood with adjustable sound settings. From a heart-thumping bass to a soothing melody, your ride can echo your sentiments. Every journey should be unique, shouldn't it? So choose how your car greets you. A gentle purr or a roaring start, it's all in your hands. Make your drive truly yours. For more AI-driven automotive innovations, do subscribe. Personalize your ride with us today.